Well, this is a rather special video for a couple of reasons. This is the first reason. This is something I thought I'd never see in my workshop. Yep, I have a milling machine. Now, okay, it's only a very small milling machine. There's my hand, so you can see how small this actually is. It's a Sherline 5000 modeller's milling machine, but it will be fine for the kind of work that I do, this kind of small work that I do. This thing will be absolutely superb. I was very lucky with it. I won an auction for it on eBay. It's in very, very good condition. I literally only turned up today. I can detect no slop or play in any of the surfaces whatsoever. There's a little bit of surface rust on the vise, but it works fine. I've run the motor, run it up. The belt was a little loose. I've actually ordered some new belts for it. These are fairly cheap. These are sewing machine type belts, fairly easily available, standard size. Nothing unusual about that. But yeah, really nice bit of kit, and it will enable me to do so much more. These are American made, and they actually are made in California. All of the hardware, the table, the base, the column, it's all made in California. So yeah, I'm really pleased to have this. And the other reason that this is a kind of special video is last week I managed to crack the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is amazing as far as I'm concerned. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Hopefully I will continue to be able to provide some content that is hopefully interesting, educational occasionally, and even amusing now and again. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Well, the Sherline did come with a few accessories. Didn't come with the full amount that you get when you buy one of these new, but it was still pretty good. I got the vise. Obviously there is a drill chuck fitted in here. The spindle has a number 1 Morse taper on it. I got one collet with a drawbar and several small toe clamps. I only got, what did I get? 5 T-nuts. So I've ordered some more T-nuts from the States. In this case, T-bolts, I should say. But I have got the little clamps that hold the vise down, so that's great. This all works. I'm just, well, as you can, I'm just amazed that I've actually got this. I really am. I didn't ever think, I didn't think I had enough room in my workshop, first of all, as I've said many times in my videos, for an actual milling machine. And for a conventional one, even a small one, like the one that Aid recently acquired for his workshop, I just don't have the space. But this, I can fit this on one of my benches, no problem at all. And for the kind of work I do, it will be absolutely superb. All I've done so far since I arrived is wipe it all down. I tightened the belt up. I've oiled the dovetails and the threads, all 3 of them, and it really is. It's really in good condition. So I'm well pleased with this. Stuff on order for it already. I've got an ER16 collet set with an ER16 collet chuck on an MT1 taper. Hopefully that will prove useful for this. I'm going to put a digital tacho on it. That you can do that fairly cheaply, because at the moment it's got variable speed, but I have not got any way of knowing what it's running at the moment because there's no indication. But that's a fairly easy mod to do. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this. My little rotary table that I got recently, that will fit on here quite nicely. It's just an amazing bit of kit. So there you go, first look at the Sherline Model 5000 miniature mill, and what a fantastic way to celebrate cracking 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, that's it for the first look at the mill. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.